from the video, and I may feel like a supermodel, but I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am queen.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kelsey, and I am back with another makeup tutorial. As you can see by the title, it's gonna be a halo look, and like I'm excited to do this because I haven't done this one yet. And just so you guys know, it has been a while since I've been on here, but hey, you guys, work with me. Life gets in the way. I know you heard it before. It is what it is, you know. But I will be bringing you some of the baddest looks that I can bring. So starting off, you know, I like to start off with my brows first, and that's simply because, you know, I notice sometimes people start with their foundation and concealer, but for me, it's like you have certain eyeshadows that have fallout, you know, and if it has fallout and you already got your foundation and concealer on, baby, you gonna have to put some more on. And like, I think that's how you get that term caked up. And no, we can't be like that. Like, no ma'am. So basically what you just saw me doing was priming my eyes. I always use concealer. And the palette that I'm using is, as you guys know, Coastal Scents. I created myself. You can buy blank palettes and you can buy the individual eyeshadows and fill them up. They're $1.99 a piece, girl. And as y'all can see, they're very pigmented, and sometimes you can catch them on sale for 99 cents. And the next palette that I'm using is the Juvia's Place, which I also love them. Like, oh my gosh. Y'all see how I'm looking? I'm like, come on now, son. Work with me, because I was using my natural sunlight. But I will be getting ring lights soon. Woo woo. So we don't have to worry about all of that. So the next color that I'm going in with is by Coastal Scents as well. And I'm going to link all the colors in the description box, you guys, because I do not remember their names. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna go in making a halo, going from side to side, in a corner, out of corner, and over, like the rainbow, you know. And I'm just gonna blend, and I'm going back in with that same brush I used with the Ada from the Juvia's Place palette, and gonna go back over that purple and going in with the purple again to deepen up the color. Now I'm just using my same concealer that I had been using, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee, to do my half or halo cut crease right here. And sometimes it can be a little tricky, y'all. Like, it's, to me, it's just, I don't know, it's a little bit different for me when I'm doing the halo cut crease. You don't want to go over too far, and you don't want to go over not enough, you know, if that makes sense. You want it to be just right, which I think I did good. This BellaPierre pigment, wow, Lilac, girl, oh my gosh, I love it. It is so beautiful. And if you put that over a dark color too, it's still, I'm gonna have to do another tutorial with this color because it is like freaking awesome. So yes, y'all, so after I do that, I'm going back. I did not show this, but it is by the Juvia's Place palette, the purple that's in the, I believe, the Zulu palette. And I'm just taking that lighter purple and going in my outer corner, inner corner. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX or NYX blue eyeliner. I'm not sure what the name of this one is. And I didn't want to do the typical traditional black, y'all. You know, I felt like this blue really made this look pop. Like, it was so pretty. And then it's like got like a shimmer type of look to it. It's really cute. So I'm going in with these Miss 3D lashes in the number M358, y'all. They are beautiful. Oh my gosh. Y'all should try the Miss 3D lashes. I get mine at my local beauty supply store. I'm sorry, I don't want to spend $30, $40 on any type of lash because I'm not the one that's going to use my lashes for a month. Hey, turn up. I don't know what I was listening to, but I was too lit. Hey. So this is the Smashbox Radius Photo Finish and the Cover FX drops. And I like to use these because I like a glow within now. Like, I really don't like a dewy look. This don't give you a dewy look, but it kind of make your makeup look radiant from within. I don't know if that makes sense, y'all, but I love it. Just look at that. Look at that golden glow. Oh, so beautiful. Yes, queen. So I'm going back in with this Maybelline 355 foundation, which is my favorite foundation, y'all. I use this on myself. I use this on my clients. I use the Maybelline concealers, the Maybelline powders. Oh my gosh, I just really like Maybelline. In my personal opinion, they are the best drugstore foundation, hands down. Like, it don't get no better than that. So I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan to highlight my face, conceal under my eyes, on my forehead, nose. You know, you get the gist. And I'm using my most absolute favorite translucent powder, which is L'Oreal Hydraperfecte powder. It just really sets your makeup and gets in those fine lines and stop all the creasing. Now this L'Oreal True Match is in C8. It's a foundation powder. It's literally like a half a shade lighter than me. But I like to use it as contour because I don't really like a harsh contour. I like it to be very natural, if that makes sense. So that's why I use this. I don't know if you noticed, but it's very subtle. And again, that's what your girl like. So you already know what's next. Look, y'all, it's almost gone. I had to go get me some more. But it's the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. It just gives your skin that finishing skin touch. And I'm going back with that same FX drops, and I'm using it as my first highlighter, and it is so beautiful on the skin. And to blend mine out, I mean, you probably could use a brush. I don't doubt that you could, but I like to use my sponge, you know, damp, to blend it in. And then I'm going to go in with my highlighting brush, which I did not freaking show. I want to say I used the Milan highlighter or my MAC Gold Deposit, but I think it was the Milan because I don't really see the gold specks like the Gold Deposit does. And I'm taking that same highlighter and going in my inner corner. You know, you just look like a little goddess when you highlight the inner corner. So I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner under my eye, which is so freaking awesome. And going back in with the color Ada in the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just gonna go under my eyes with that. And of course, you can't neglect the bottom lashes, y'all. Gotta put on your mascara on your bottom lashes, make them pop too. So I'm using the color Espresso by NYX for my lip liner, and I'm simply gonna keep this very simple with some lip gloss that I'm trying out. It's by Ebin, E-B-I-N, and I was like, you know, let me try these. I went with the darker shade because for me, my tone of skin, I feel like it would look a lot, I guess, becoming. The other one would have looked pretty too, I know, but I just wanted to go with this shade, and y'all, it was so pretty, especially with this bold eye. So yeah, tell me what you guys think about this look once again in the comment spot. So now I'm just to refreshing my curls, I'm just going back in. This is crochet, y'all. I crochet the back, and I just put my hair in 2 ponytails at the top and wrap the hair around. But to refreshen it, all I do is go through, cut off the ends that look scraggly, too frizzy. You know how that goes. And once I get done with that, spraying it and everything, then I go in with a water bottle that I mix with some Lotta Body wrapping lotions and stuff. I like mix them together and spray it, and it really make your curls pop again. I had to go, the video that's before this one, actually, I was getting ready to go down to my mother-in-law's house and do my niece's hair. So this was actually, this one should have been first before the video with the hair video. Hold on, what did I just say? This video should have been first and then the hair video. So yeah. So now I'm just about to slick up these edges, y'all, and fix my ponytails, and I will be done. But just so you guys know, With this hairstyle, the reason I love it so much is because like I crochet the back and I can do different styles to the top. Like I can take both of these ponytails down, put them together, make one ponytail, or I've learned the technique, which I am going to do a YouTube video on because I have not seen anybody do this technique that I have done with one of my clients. So, or you can also do a halo braid across the front of your hair, leave some of the top out, and then wrap some hair around it, y'all. It is so pretty. So pretty. But anyways, I don't know what me and Bae was talking about, but we sure was having a deep conversation. And he pointed at my camera. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Once again, for the last time, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave your comments. And thank you guys for watching. Love you.